angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna create this classic brown glitter eye makeup look which I'm wearing right now. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, I'm starting with the foundation, and here I'm mixing two foundations. One is Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 312 and another one is the MAC Studio Fix Sweet foundation in the shade NC37. The Maybelline foundation in the shade 312 is slightly darker for my skin tone, so I mixed it with the MAC foundation in the shade NC37 to make it lighter so that it matches my skin tone. And now I'm using the damp makeup sponge to make it even smoother, and now I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Maybelline in the shade dark brown, and here I'm drawing thin lines to get the fuller look. And right now I'm using the Maybelline HD Wine Concealer in the shade medium to clean up the edges of my brows. This will make my brows look stand out and more enhanced. And right now I'm blending the concealer well so that the area doesn't get cakey. And right now I'm applying the concealer, the Maybelline HD Wine Concealer in the shade medium, on my eyelids, under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. And right now I'm blending the concealer with the help of my damp makeup sponge. And I'm just trying to blend the concealer well. And also I'm applying a little bit of concealer around my mouth area. And right now I'm baking my face, and here I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and applying the powder on the concealed areas like under my eyes, on my eyelids, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and also on my forehead. I'll just leave the powder like this for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I'll dust off the powder. And right now I'm applying the powder just under my cheekbone so that when I do the contouring it looks sharp. And right now I'm dusting off the excess powder. Now you can see that my face is looking so matte. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbones. My face is looking really flat, so just to add some dimension I'm contouring. Well, also I'm applying the contouring powder on the temples of my head. And right now I'm trying to blend the powder well. And I'm also applying the contouring powder around my hairline. I'm not applying too much of contouring powder on my forehead as I really have a small forehead. And right now I'm applying the contouring powder on my jawline as well. And right now I'm just trying to blend everything out so that everything looks nice and smooth. And right now I'm contouring my nose to make it slimmer. And right now I'm blending the powder on my nose to remove the harsh lines. And right now I'm using this white shade on my eyelids, and I'm just creating the base. Today I'm gonna do a classic brown glittery eye makeup look, and right now I'm applying this brown shade on my eyelid, and I'm just creating a wing. And right now I'm blending the eyeshadow well to eliminate the harsh line. And right now I'm using this light brown shade on the edge of the brown eyeshadow that I have applied already. And right now I'm using the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm using this glittery eyeshadow. I use the MAC Fix Plus to make it more pigmented, and right now I'm applying the glittery golden shade on my eyelid. And right now I'm just trying to blend the edge of the glitter eyeshadow so that it looks well blended. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and also I'm highlighting my brow bone. Well, right now I'm gonna use the same brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using the Fortune Favors the Babe eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, and right now I'm blending the eyeshadow well so that it gives me a nice smoky effect. So I have done the eyeshadow part on both of my eyes, and right now I'm applying the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline. And right now I'm wearing the eyeliner, and I'm using a liquid matte eyeliner, and I'm just creating the wing. And right now I'm drawing a thin line, and also I'm drawing the inner corner. So I have done the eyeliner part as well, and right now I'm applying the blush on the uppers of my cheeks, and also I'm applying a little bit of blush on my nose. And right now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. This is a really good drugstore highlighter at really cheap price. Just look at the glow, guys. And right now I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, on my forehead a bit, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. And right now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And I have already applied the falsies, and right now I'm wearing the lipstick, and this is the MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Ooh. And right now I'm highlighting my collarbones, and I'm using the same highlighter by Makeup Revolution. So this is the final look. you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and like and share this video. I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.